Oh, mm, some birds chirping. That's the beauty of being in nature, guys. Yeah, doing my nature walk, just come all the way, and some birds making some very, very refreshing noise here. So welcome to the channel. Thank you for being here. In case you're new, this is John Daniels 254, the home of positive vibes. The sun is setting, so the video might not be that clear around this stretch because I'm walking in a place where there are so many trees, but it's worth of you to hit that subscribe button and support the channel. That's the bird that's making that lovely noise. That's the bird. Hi. One of my favorite YouTubers from Kenya, my motherland, called I Am Marwa, loves birds. I think it's something we share because he's so much into pigeons, and miles and miles away from home, I love pigeons here in the UK. I'm just walking by the river, guys. Just walking by the river. It's the beauty of being in nature. My wife loves this tree. She's just crazy about it, asking me to get a whole lot of it, export it back home for her. It's actually a very cute tree. So this is what you get to experience if you are a nature lover. Every time I'm doing my nature walks, this is all I encounter. I'm walking to the park, a different park. I bet you've not seen this park before, so that's where I'm heading to. I'm just gonna cross the road where you can see those cars. Cross that road, there's a bridge here. Head to the other side and check what's happening. It's been a while since I was here last. Look at how nature is preserved here in UK. If this was in my motherland, I'm very sure some corrupt individuals could have already sold it for some money, for timber or firewood. But because here in the UK people are sensible, they look after nature and nature looks after them. That's why you see such a huge tree still existing, which to me is really commendable. The sun is setting. So we're gonna walk all the way around, join the bridge at that point, or just cross through here, go all the way around and up here. In case it's your first time coming across this channel, please consider subscribing. Road to 5k, guys. Thank you so much for everyone who's been supporting the channel in any way. I'm really grateful. So going through here, and we will walk around all up there. Going all the way around, all the way around to that. Look at that. It's $1 billion views. $1 billion views. That's where we're coming from. Views from here. It's bridge all over. Sun design on this end as I exit the bridge. Ciao. And now, from the woodlands to the savannah. It's a beautiful park. I remember some days back I used to come from work, and before I get home I would come here for a walk, and it felt so nice. It's very nice, very nice. Don't even think the camera is doing justice to this park. It's so nice, very cute. All this is a paddling pool. They say it's gonna be open for summer. Yeah, so that's the reason why it's not in operation at the moment. It's a beautiful day out here in the park. You can see the views from here. Amazing views. What a perfect way to enjoy the sundowner. This is called Crazy Golf. Just pay and enjoy some crazy golf like its name. Just some of the activities you get to enjoy if you visit such a park. Yeah. Actually, this is one of the activities which I normally enjoy. One of these days I'm gonna do a video showing you how we play the crazy golf. Yeah. It's one of the activities I enjoy. It's not complicated. It's just aimed at testing your skills, patience, resilience. Yeah. There is a fun fair going on, and there people are having fun. Just don't have for that. Thank you.
Thank you. So that's £7 now, please.
Yeah. This is nice, guys. I'm gonna end this video here, hoping you have enjoyed. Please consider subscribing, like the video, share, drop me a comment. I'm gonna appreciate. From John Daniels 254, it's a bye.